Hello everyone, I am Vijay Shankar Mishra, born and raised in Mumbai, the city of dreams. Growing up surrounded by ambition and innovation, I was naturally drawn to technology, but my real fascination began the first time I typed www.google.com into a browser. Seeing endless knowledge appear at my fingertips felt like magic, and I couldn't help but wonder how does all of this work. That curiosity led me to pursue a bachelor's in electronics and telecommunication engineering from Mumbai University. While my coursework focused on hardware, I was captivated by software development. I spent hours coding, building projects like a to-do list and money converter web app, and diving into online courses of databases on Udemy and Coursera. A defining moment was my final year project, which is Dexterity Test, a system designed to help doctors assess motor functions. I developed this app's front end and back end using React Native and Node.js and guided my teammates through the learning curve. This project taught me that software isn't just about writing code, it's about building impactful solutions through teamwork and innovation. Beyond academics, I have always believed in giving back to the community. Through the National Service Scheme (NSS), I participate in tree plantation, blood donation camps, and awareness kits in villages about alcohol and drug abuse. Later, as a student leader, I organized large scale events such as Multicon or technical workshop in my college. Organizing this event during the COVID 19 pandemic came with an own challenges. Everything had to be managed remotely, from registration to financial management. By implementing structured workflows and efficient communication channels, I successfully ensured the event's smooth execution, which strengthened my leadership skills and ability to work under pressure. After graduation, I joined LTI Mentry as a software engineer, where I specialized in MERN stack development. One of the most rewarding projects involved developing a UI module with Okta authentication, streamlining login process and improving efficiency. But the real turning point came when I worked on a data intensive web app integrating OpenAI APIs. It opened my eyes to the power of AI, cloud computing and data driven decision making, fueling my desire to explore these fields further. This is what brings me to the MS of in Information Systems at California State University, Long Beach. This program blend of technology and business strategy is exactly what I am looking for. Courses like data warehousing and business intelligence, advanced database management systems, and information security management align perfectly with my interest. I am especially excited about CSULB's hands on approach and research in enterprise systems and data analytics. My goal is to leverage data and intelligent systems to optimize business operation, improve decision making, and create real world impact, whether in healthcare, logistics, or financial service. I want to build solutions that drive efficiency and innovations. From a curious kid fascinated by the internet to a software engineer eager to push boundaries, my journey has been one of growth, exploration, and passion. Now I am ready to take the next step at CSULB, where I can learn, innovate, and contribute to the world of information system. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to be a part of CSULB community. Thank you.